These birds are having a field day in this fountain real quick. I was trying to catch it. This is literally an all-day thing, guys. Believe it or not. I go through about 1.5 gallons of water a day in that fountain, just for the birds. To me, it's worth it. Y'all have a good day now and stay blessed. Bye-bye.